Hello everyone, I am Jeremy Martos from Section IT43A. So today I am gonna show you the proper way for updating the latest version of OS. Let's go to Settings and then click Windows Update and then click Check for Updates. So let's wait for a few minutes until the update is done. So as you can see, it's already downloading, and let's wait for the time that we will install this. So as you can see, the OS is already updated. And that's all. Thank you.